Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here at Hotel Acos de Montemar. We're going to head down to Torremolinos, down to the... Oh, hold on, let me cross this very quickly, there's no cars coming. But yeah, we're going to head down to the beach, have a little walk along the promenade and see Wagwan. You guys know the vibe, let's go. So, hotel's there. You'll have a hotel review. It's going to be like a comparison, because I didn't stay in a hotel the very first night. I stayed in an apartment, I guess that's what it was. So I'm going to do like room reviews, not hotel review, so I don't think it's fair on the very first place. But I think I'm going downhill, so it's going to be lovely on the walk back. But yeah, let's get down to the beach. I'm guessing if you don't like hills, don't stay where I am. Room's nice though, I had no issue with the room. It's right next to an Audi. No, sorry, yeah, an Audi. Not the one that we have in England. It's the blue one, the brother. There's two types of Audi. So there's two brothers and they split. So one's got a blue colour Audi and the other one's got the one that we got in the UK. I actually prefer the blue one. The blue one has a bakery in it and I don't know. Everything else basically the same, isn't it? It's all the same really. But yeah. Let's get down to this beach. Yeah, for mobility, I'd stay down near the beach if you've got issues. For me, I'm good. Keep checking my pocket for my phone as always. Let's cross over. It's good out there, come on. No cars coming. Might as well walk down the middle of the road, didn't we? So, if you've been to Torremolinos before, where do you normally stay? Look at that hotel, it's very swanky and nice, isn't it? Very nice. Right, let's get on that road there. What I'm trying to do is go down. Hopefully it goes down to the water. Yeah, we can see the water. There it is. We made it. Oh, it's actually quite cold. I've had actually really bad weather for the last 2 days in the Costa del Sol. Nothing like what's going on in Tenerife and Gran Canaria and all the Canary Islands. Nothing the same. But I need to do my jacket up. So bear with me if it's a bit shaky. Or it's not even looking at anything. Hold on, let me stop. Alright, let's keep going. Whew. Yeah, at the moment, because of these clouds, as you can see, bring a jacket. A lot of people wear like their winter jackets. For me, it's a bit hot wearing a winter jacket, so I wear like sports jackets. Look, you can see what I'm wearing. My sick Adidas. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that hype button for us. And yeah, let's get to 6,000 subscribers, come on. For the end of this series, let's get to 6,000 subscribers. So we're going to go left here. I'll show you the signs quickly so you can see. Yeah, nobody on the beach. We're going to go left. Later on I'm going to go over to Medina. We do some filming in Medina. It's literally like, Medina's just up there, not even far. Like, it's got to be like 5-10 minute walk if that. So we're going to go all the way down there. Check out what's new. Look at that water. I've been here loads of times, been here a couple of times. I've never seen the sea the way it is at the moment. But yeah, Nobody on the beach at all. So I just went to Aldi to get my lunch. That's a 5-minute walk through it. That's not too bad, is it? I guess it's going to be like 10 minutes on the way back up. But yeah, I went to Aldi. Spent like about £7 on my lunch, which consisted of a bottle of cava, 3 pastries, 2 coffees, the little iced coffee, the latte ones, all for £7. I love it in Spain. People go, it's expensive. It's expensive if you go out. If you go out, so look, you go out and eat in one of these restaurants, you're going to be paying all this sort of price. But you just go to the old, oh look at this, got a squid on the barbecue. Let's try and get in there. Hola. So yeah, look at that, nice bit of squid tentacles. Octopus, sorry. But yeah, it's made me smell like fire. So yeah, if you just go to like Aldi, I thought my Mercadona is a bit expensive as well, but Aldi, cheap as chips. You get everything you need. Don't know if it's a bigger chain than Mercadona or the Carrefour, but for me, I wish I had a cooker. I wish I had a cooker in this place. Cook some food up. I love getting my bit of tuna, my salmon from Aldi, cooking it up. I really like cooking when I'm abroad. I like cooking anyway. I'll be really honest with you, a lot of people, I was a chef myself, so a lot of people cook food and it's not up to my standard. So I'm quite good at food reviews. I've got a friend, he's got, I think he's got 2 rosettes now, and I worked in a kitchen which was a Michelin star restaurant, so I know a thing or two about cooking and I know what taste is. My friend, he is in France, he has oh look at this, he's got 2 large beers for 6. Hello mate. So yeah, my friend, he's got French, he's got a restaurant, did amazing food. He invited us over one time, we stayed at his house and he cooked me up. Cooked me, I don't know if you cook it, but it was foie gras. So he gave me some foie gras first, I tried that, and then he gave me I'll check this price out, and then he gave me some meat and rolls and stuff like that to eat. So foie gras with some bread and then meat and roll afterwards. I think it was afterwards. No, so I think the foie gras was with the bread and then we had some meat afterwards. But by the time I'd had a bit of foie gras, where it's fatty, it is just fat. It was just full up. And I didn't really enjoy the foie gras. I'm not a really big fatty sort of enjoyer. I don't enjoy that type of thing. So thank you very much for that. It was lovely, but not really my cup of tea. I did tell him, I literally told him the textures. Don't like the texture. What I'm going to do, I'll end this one here. It's been long enough. Let's walk down to this sea, show you these waves, and we'll end it down here. My boy's got another sardine out here. Check the sardines on there. So yeah, 8. See that? 8 for this year. Wow. Where's the no surfers, eh? Where are all the surfers? So guys, thanks for watching. This is Wagwan Tours. Make sure you subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you in a very next video.